Et voilà, maintenant on va commencer notre webinaire. Alors, bienvenue tout le monde. Merci beaucoup pour être là encore une fois. So once again, we are going to start with this LingoPie webinar, French webinar. LingoPie is a language learning platform through audiovisual content to learn languages by watching local TV shows and very interesting series and movies. Donc, bienvenue tout le monde. On va commencer comme chaque dernier mardi de chaque mois. As every last Tuesday of every month at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, we're meeting here. Et aujourd'hui, on a cette série qu'on va partager et on va parler de là dans quelques minutes. Donc, on va commencer pour se présenter. Let's start by presenting ourselves. Je suis Elisabeth et je vais être votre host aujourd'hui. Donc, I am your host today. I'm Elisabeth. Et avec nous, on a notre prof. C'est qui notre prof?
C'est
Alors?
qui? C'est qui? Je me pose la même question. C'est qui? Salut tout le monde, soyez bienvenus.
Donc, avec nous, on a Roxy, qui est notre prof de français pour aujourd'hui. Donc, I see a lot of new faces. Je vois beaucoup de personnes nouveaux. Donc, on aimerait bien de vous connaître un petit peu. Donc, s'il vous plaît, écrivez dans le chat d'où vous vous connectez, auquel show ou film vous regardez actuellement sur LingoPie. So, I will be also saying this in English for beginner-friendly students. So, please write in the chat presenting yourself, where do you come from? If you want to try to write that in French, that would be awesome. If not, just in English, if you are just starting. So where do we come from? And if you're currently watching any series or movie on LingoPie, it will be great to know which one you have chosen, which one you like, or if you have any recommendations. In case this is your first time at all with LingoPie, you are just getting to know, LingoPie, please write on the chat, c'est ma première fois, it's my first time. So I know who are having just the first contact with LingoPie, so I will give you useful information at the end of this webinar. So what we are going to do today, meanwhile you start writing, I will explain something. Pendant que vous écrivez dans le chat, je vais expliquer quelque chose. Donc, aujourd'hui, on va regarder un épisode d'une série. We are going to share with you an episode of a series that maybe you have watched already or maybe you didn't. Doesn't matter. We are going to share a short episode. We are going to also share cultural facts about French culture, French architecture today. Et aussi, on a notre leçon de français avec Roxy. Donc, we have cultural facts. We talk a little bit about the show. We watch a little bit of the show. And then we have our lesson with Roxy. At the end of the lesson, we will have also a question and answers moment where you can ask all the questions that you may have related to this webinar, related to LingoPie, etc. OK? Donc, bienvenue Wim, c'est ma première fois. Bienvenue, ma première fois aussi Pritpal, bienvenue. Also, Alison, my first time, bienvenue. Et Alison, Karen, je m'appelle Karen, j'habite à Californie, j'ai commencé à apprendre le français il y a 5 mois. Super. Chris, bienvenue Chris, je viens de Toronto, j'aime Junior les shows, oui, je vous recommande beaucoup Junior, it's a very nice cartoon to watch. Junior, you can watch it on our catalog. Ce n'est pas ma première fois. Super, Chris, que tu es revenu, super. Alors, on a ça. Je viens de Pakistan, mais j'habite au Canada. Je regarde seulement un film sur LingoPie. J'utilise des leçons souvent. Super, des leçons groupales qu'il y en a sur LingoPie. Super, ça. Bienvenue Claire aussi. Je suis américaine. J'habite aux États-Unis, en Florida. Je suis hôtesse de l'aéroport pour Delta Air. Super. Donc, j'apprends le français pour mieux parler avec les passagers francophones. Super. J'adore. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il y en a? Dan Angel, bonjour, je m'appelle Dan, je viens de New York, c'est ma première fois aussi, bienvenue. Première fois de Ria aussi, bienvenue. Total vient de Toronto. Yogita aussi, bienvenue. Première fois. William des États-Unis, encore la première fois. Super. Alors, on a Bafen. Je suis chinoise. J'habite aux États-Unis. C'est ma première fois. Super. Donc, on a beaucoup de personnes qui ont la première fois. Je m'appelle Mathieu. Aussi, bienvenue Mathieu, je viens d'Arizona, c'est ma première fois. Super. Donc, alors, ici, on a quelqu'un qui voudrait participer. Vous pouvez savoir que vous pouvez participer pendant ce webinaire. So, you can participate during this webinar. And how you can do it? You can raise your hand as App is doing now. So, I will give you just in a minute the opportunity to talk. Abdo, je m'appelle Abdullah, j'habite à Caire, mais je viens de Yeyem. Super, super. On est dans un groupe très international. So, just in case, especially for the new ones that are using this webinar for the first time, or maybe using Zoom for the first time, on the bottom, look for the three dots and look for the option of reactions. And one reaction is to raise hand. So if you want to answer a question, if you want to read the text that we're going to share, you can raise your hand in order to participate or to make a question too, okay? If you don't find this option, but you still want to do it, write on the chat, je voudrais parler, or moi, no, or I would like to talk, I would like to ask, write me on the chat in case you don't find this tool, okay? To raise hand. Abdi, oui, est-ce que vous voudrez dire quelque chose? Abdi, if you want to speak, unmute yourself because you are muted. Maybe you were just trying to use it. And Abdi, if you remember that you can unmute yourself to participate in case you want to say something. OK. Donc, on va commencer avec les saviez-vous qui voudrait lire ce texte en français? Who would like to read in loud voice this text that we have here? Les saviez-vous? Alors, qui voudrait participer? Seulement lire. Alors, Mathuram.
Oui. Savez-vous comment s'appellent les chambres situées au dernier étage des immeubles parisiens traditionnels? Euh,
Ah, très bien. Là, un peu plus, Mathuram. La dernière partie.
okay. Uh, should I read again or should I?
Just the line that it's below. Only that one else.
Vous avez peut-être déjà remarqué leurs fenêtres sur les toits.
Exactement. Merci beaucoup, Mathuram. Merci beaucoup. Donc, peut-être vous avez remarqué ça, non? C'est une image typique de l'architecture parisienne. Alors, quelqu'un, quelqu'un pourrait répondre à cette question. Somebody could answer this question in case you don't know all the words that are in French. Take in mind that always you will have below the translation, the subtitles into English, okay? So you can read on the screen. Alors, any ideas? You can write on the chat or open your mic. Tun, tun, tun. 5, 4, 3, 2, un sar. Non, non, 3, 2, 1. Alors, on va lire ce texte pour le savoir. This seems like a yes or no question. Actually, it was an open question. It was an open question. If you do know the name. Donc, quelqu'un voudrait lire maintenant les premiers paragraphes. Somebody would like to read the first paragraph in order to learn about this question. Qui voudrait lire? Chan, chan, chan. Oui?
Okay.
Quelqu'un d'autre? Somebody... Ah, God. Alors, Pritpal. Allez-y. Oui.
I'll try. Ce sont les chambres de bonne criées au 18 et
18e,
18e et
19e,
19e siècle pour les personnels domestiques typiques de l'architecture haussmannienne. Elle est distinguée par les petites tailles, moins de 10 square meters, le plafond bas et le fenêtre incliné. Ces chambres partagent souvent des sanitaires et étant accessibles par des escaliers de service afin, afin de ne pas se mélanger avec le reste des les meubles. Les meubles.
Immeuble. Immeuble.
Immeubles.
L'immeuble. Tu
Immeubles.
voudrais que je lise, Elisabeth?
Oui, oui, merci beaucoup, Pridpal. Merci
Super,
beaucoup.
faites pas. Très courageux, hein? Brave. Très bien, très bien. OK, ce sont les chambres de bonne créées au 18e et 19e siècle pour loger le personnel domestique. Typiques de l'architecture haussmannienne, elles se distinguent par leur petite taille, moins de 10 mètres carrés, leur plafond bas et leurs fenêtres inclinées. Ces chambres partageaient souvent des sanitaires et étaient accessibles par des escaliers de service afin de ne pas se mélanger avec le reste de l'immeuble.
Super, merci, merci beaucoup. Très bien, dit Pridpal, super. C'est un bon exercice pour lire et écouter. Alors, quelqu'un autre qui voudrait lire les 12e paragraphes, ce qu'on a là, peut-être Abdi?
Hello? Hello?
Oui,
Oui,
vous voulez lire?
Appel Sesión como
Sorry, Abdi, I'm going to interrupt you because you are very far away from your microphone. Can you come closer?
oui,
Alors, on va essayer. Abdi?
en apelo, oui, apelo du Sesión
Domestique,
domotique,
domestique,
domotique, exiliu, se chambari, anti-électrique,
Roxy, tu pourrais,
transformer, moi,
pourrais se transformer, oui.
en long monti e, e comuncio auta aujourd'hui alle son un'opzione opzione c'est ça?
Populaire, option populaire, oui.
Populaire lo opzione artiston voyage
Voyageur, grâce à
voyageur grâce octu Rodi et lourd emplacement central
emplacement.
et Paris. Ah,
OK. OK. Alors, c'est avec
ok.
le déclin du service domestique au XXe siècle, ces chambres ont été transformées en logements économiques. Aujourd'hui, elles sont une option populaire pour les étudiants, artistes et voyageurs grâce à leur coût réduit et leur emplacement central à Paris.
merci beaucoup, Abdi, merci beaucoup, Roxy. Alors, donc, c'est ça, non? Des chambres de bonne qui vous pouvez voir dans n'importe quelle photo de Paris. Et si vous voyagez à Paris, vous allez voir ça. Oui, ce sont des chambres très, 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 très petites. Alors, où maintenant, avec des étudiants. Donc, il y a des informations qu'on peut relationner avec la série qu'on va partager aujourd'hui. C'est pour ça qu'on avait partagé ça. Et maintenant, pour écrire un peu dans le chat, ou quand même, vous pouvez participer avec votre main. Et quel est le nom de la série dont nous allons parler aujourd'hui? Alors, who knows? What's the name of the series that we are going to talk about today? And we're going to watch one of the episodes just in a minute. Alors, student, exactly. React button, below reactions, there's raise hand. Thank you, Gori, for your collaboration on the chat. Très bien, très bien. Alors, vous l'avez déjà vu. C'est la question 2. Donc, vous pouvez essayer d'écrire dans le chat en français. Oui, je l'ai vu. Non, je ne l'ai pas vu. So, you can try if you haven't know how to react. You have here 2 options. Yes, have you seen it already? So, vous pouvez dire oui, je l'ai vu. Oh non, je ne l'ai pas vu. Alors, on va regarder dans le chat. Who has already watched this series, who didn't, who haven't. Alors, ça dit non. Alors, quelqu'un d'autre? On va voir. Remember me when you answer this question. As always, I will remind you that when you sign up for our open classes, our webinars, we share with you the link to the episode that we are going to use on the webinar. So you are always welcome to watch it before the webinar. So if you watch it, you will have extra info. And also you will have the opportunity to share a comment, to share your point of view and practice a little bit more your French. But if you don't watch it before, it's not mandatory. You can still participate and watch it later. Okay, finish watching the episode later that we are going to start watching today. Alors, donc, rien de rien. Alors, non. Okay. Donc, so it's going to be a surprise for everybody. Et donc, on va passer à la question 4. Alors, la question 4 dit, que pensez-vous de vivre dans moins de 15 mètres carrés? So, in case somebody doesn't know very well the square meters, here you have the square feet, okay? So, what do you think about living in less than 15 square meters, okay? Quelqu'un voudrait partager votre opinion? Somebody would like to share votre pensée, your thoughts? C'est comme être en prison, dit Saad. Alors, Karen, oui, Karen,
Oui,
Karen Evan?
c'est trop petit.
C'est trop petit, exactement, c'est très petit, oh, c'est trop petit, super. Quelqu'un d'autre? Somebody else would like to share sentence? Mais je crois qu'on est d'accord que c'est trop petit. Oui, c'est ça. C'est presque comme être en prison et beaucoup de personnes habitent comme ça, et spécialement des étudiants en France et dans n'importe quel pays aussi. Non, ça arrive. Donc, maintenant, on va regarder un épisode, l'épisode 11 de cette série. Donc, Roxy, est-ce que tu peux nous raconter un peu plus de cette série? Ça s'agit de quoi?
Des tâches de ménage, hein, des tâches ménagères. Hein. Ils vont nettoyer, ils vont faire la vaisselle hein, pour avoir le studio propre, hein, le petit appartement bien propre. Ouais.
Exactement, c'est ça qui va passer dans cet épisode, l'épisode 11. Mais dans cette série, vous avez quand même beaucoup d'épisodes. Alors, donc, si vous voulez regarder toute la série, suivez un jeune étudiante et ses amis à Corte, en Corse, alors qu'ils passaient plus de temps dans leur studio de 12 mètres carrés qu'en cours. Oui, il a dans le chat une Chris qui dit, je suis déjà vécu dans une chambre au moins de 10 mètres carrés. Et moi aussi, hein? Je sais qui c'est ça. Alors, maintenant, on va regarder cet épisode. Merci beaucoup, Roxy, de nous avoir expliqué ce qui va se passer. Donc, je vais partager mon écran. Alors, on va aller là. Hop. Et donc, profitez bien. 3, 2, 1, action.
Ah, mais ils ont sorti le dernier épisode de Game of Thrones.
Ouais, j'ai vu.
Baptiste, tu me spoiles pas. Non. Écoute, je fais tout ce que tu veux, mais tu me spoiles pas. Je t'en supplie.
Tout ce que je veux.
Oh là là, tout ce que je vous. C'est un problème, je crois, hein? Jamais dit ça.
Levez tes pieds, s'il te plaît. C'est bon, Freddy, j'ai fini la vaisselle. Bati, mais je comprends rien au droit.
Relis l'arrêt. La cour par ses motifs. Mais ça veut rien dire. Comment tu veux que je comprenne?
Alors, dans le dernier épisode de
Non, non,
Game of Thrones-
attends. C'est parce que j'ai pas très bien lu aussi.
Bon, Fred, j'ai fait toutes les courses. Enfin, je t'ai pris le jeu de douche My Gabi de là, celui qui m'a dit qu'ils sont trop bons.
Y a pas les biscuits.
Non, Fred, je vais pas retourner au supermarché pour les biscuits, c'est super loin, hein, on s'en fout. Non, Fred, s'il te plaît, oh. Ok, j'y vais. Oh, Fred, mais y a même pas besoin de la poncer, cette porte à eau.
Ponce, je t'ai dit.
Eh, regarde, enfin, ça sert à rien. Y a aucune différence.
Alors, dans le dernier épisode...
Je ponce, c'est bon, je ponce. Voilà, je ponce, là. Bon, Freddy, c'est bon, là j'en ai marre, je veux plus faire ça, je veux plus travailler comme ça, c'est bon, basta.
Alors, dans le dernier épisode de Game of Thrones...
Ça peut arriver. Ça peut finir là.
Ouais, c'est bon, tu sais quoi? Moi j'en ai marre, je fais plus rien, j'ai plus envie de faire ça. Depuis tout à l'heure, je fais le ménage, moi je suis pas ton larbin. Tu sais quoi? Spoil-moi le dernier épisode de Game of Thrones si t'as envie, moi je m'en fous maintenant, tu sais quoi?
Alors, la fin, il faut la regarder chez vous. If you want to know the last sentence, you should watch the episode until the end. Okay, we'll stop here. So, because I'm not going to make a spoiler of this series, actually, right? Okay, so as here we have many new students, I will take a minute just to share with you like the most important tools that we have while watching shows on LingoPie. As you So we have double subtitles in French and in English, right? Take in mind that you can go here on the bottom, you can go directly to the previous caption if you want to read it again or watch it again, right? And the most important is that we have instant translation if you just do some mousing. And if you click on the word,
Depuis.
you will have some more information, right? Also grammar information, how to pronounce it. And also this word will be automatically saved on your personal list. This personal list of words is what we use on the platform to practice with flashcards and games that we have on the platform. Remember that you can take out or put on the English subtitles, also the French ones, but French ones are always, of course, useful. And also here on the bottom, we have other tools. For example, the speed feature. So if they speak very fast, don't be shy by changing the speed in order to have more time to practice your listening comprehension. Also, you can loop a sentence if you want to practice some shadowing and practicing a special sentence. Also, you can practice how to hear how you should say the sentence. Also, you can record yourself speaking here and you have a feedback of your pronunciation. You have the AI coach. And also remember that you can decide if you want to watch full screen or having also the subtitles on the side that are also interactive. And you can, for example,
C'est bon.
click on a word and have more information about that, or if you want to look for a special sentence that you listened before, okay? These are some of the main features. Now, let's come back to the presentation. Alors, on y va. Donc, maintenant, on va commencer notre leçon de grammaire, notre leçon de français avec Roxy. 3, 2, 1, action, Roxy.
Voilà. Alors aujourd'hui, on va parler des tâches ménagères, hein? Par exemple, je fais la vaisselle, je nettoie le sol, je sors la poubelle, je range ma maison, je change les draps, je repasse mes vêtements. Alors, répétez après moi. Hein? Repeat after me. Je fais la vaisselle.
Je
Je
fais
fais la
la
vaisselle.
Je nettoie le sol.
Je nettoie le
Nettoie le
sol.
sol.
Très bien. Je sors la poubelle.
Je sors la poubelle.
Super. Je range ma maison.
Je range ma
Ma
maison.
maison.
Oui, ma maison. OK, super.
Maison.
Je change les draps.
Je change les draps.
Les draps.
Je repasse mes vêtements.
Je repasse mes
Repasse mes
vêtements.
vêtements.
OK. Alors, bien français, la prononciation R. Hein? Je range. Je range.
Range. Je range.
Je range.
Très bien. Et puis, les draps. Les draps.
Les draps.
Les
Les
draps.
draps. OK.
Draps.
Super. Super. Génial. OK. On peut passer à la suivante. Voilà, tâche ménagère. Hein? Quelle tâche ménagère préférez-vous faire? Hein? Je préfère, par exemple, les mêmes. Je range ma maison, je repasse mes vêtements, je sors la poubelle, je change les draps, je nettoie le sol et je fais la vaisselle. Alors, je préfère quoi? Qui veut participer? Who would like to share? What do you prefer?
Karen?
OK.
Je préfère faire la vaisselle.
Super. Quelqu'un d'autre?
Et je préfère repasser mes vêtements.
Repasser mes vêtements, très bien.
Je préfère ranger ma maison.
OK, je préfère ranger ma maison. OK. Il y a Saad aussi, non? Saad?
Je ne préférerais tous les managers, mais je peux faire changer les draps.
OK. OK, très bien. Changer les draps. OK, nous avons sur le chat aussi, Ellie, je crois. Il y a quelqu'un qui a
Oui.
répondu.
Cory qui a écrit changer les draps.
OK, changer le drap.
Mais
OK.
c'est important, Roxy, qu'après je préfère, on utilise le verbe en infinitif, c'est ça?
Exactement. Je préfère repasser, je préfère sortir, je préfère changer, je préfère nettoyer, je préfère faire. Hein? Voilà, c'est avec l'infinitif. Je préfère changer les draps. OK, changer avec R. OK, voilà.
Je vais avoir une question, s'il vous plaît.
Oui.
Pour le nettoyer, isn't nettoyer like Nettoyer at the end? So why did you use?
Oui, avec Y, avec Y. With the Y.
So why did you use that IOE at the end?
Parce que c'est la terminaison des verbes qui finissent avec YER.
OK.
Hein? Dans le cas de nettoyer, par exemple, c'est comme ça. Il y a d'autres verbes qui sont réguliers. Par exemple, voyager, c'est pas comme ça. Je voyage. OK? OK. Voilà. OK. On passe à la suivante, s'il te plaît. OK. Nous avons d'autres ici. Relier, hein? Matching. Relier. On a balayer, balayer le sol, laver le linge, passer l'aspirateur, pendre les vêtements, arroser les plantes, faire le lit. Alors, on a des traductions. C'est tout mélangé, hein? It's all mixed up. Alors, vous avez 2 minutes pour penser. N'écrivez pas. Vous pouvez écrire sur le chat, mais pas sur l'écran. Hein? Don't write on the screen because everyone is going to read you.
I will give you 2 minutes, and in 2 minutes we correct all together.
We write.
Yes, you can write on your personal notes and then we correct. Or you can write on the chat, but try to don't send it now once you are finished and we are correcting if you want. So you don't like tell your answers to the rest.
So do we write these activities?
Yes, you need to connect the French sentences with the English one. You can take your personal notes, okay? And then we are going to correct like in a loud voice. Dernière minute, last minute.
Tic-tac, tic-tac.
Sweep, balayer, is to sweep. Balayer.
Alors, je crois qu'on peut corriger, Roxy. Qu'est-ce que tu en penses?
Oui, oui, oui. On est bon. OK, numéro 1. Qui veut lire numéro 1? Who would like to read number 1? French version and in English, the corresponding one. Numéro 1, qui voudrait lire?
Ria? I thought Ria wanted to speak.
Oui.
Numéro 6.
Balayer le sol, c'est sweep the floor.
OK, balayer le sol, sweep the
Balayer le
floor.
sol, sweep the floor.
OK, très bien. Numéro 2, qui voudrait numéro 2?
Yogita?
Laver la linge, wash the laundry.
Parfait. Numéro 3?
On est là. Bofen.
Passer le respirateur et
Oui, très bien. Vacuuming. Très bien. Numéro 4?
Claire's iPhone.
Prendre les vêtements, hang the clothes.
Parfait, super. Numéro 5, qui voudrait?
Quelqu'un autre? Somebody else?
Arroser les plants. F, water the plants.
Très bien. Et puis faire le lit.
William?
Faire le lit, make the bed. B.
OK, super, super. Merci, William. Merci. OK, quelle tâche ménagère fais-tu à la maison? Hein? J'aime, je n'aime pas. On va utiliser j'aime et l'infinitif, comme nous avons ici, hein, en français. J'aime balayer le sol, je n'aime pas laver le linge. OK, qui voudrait partager? Who would like to share? What you like and what you don't like?
Yogita?
J'aime arroser les plantes.
Très bien.
Et qu'est-ce que tu n'aimes pas, Yogita?
Je n'aime pas faire le lit.
OK. Super.
Bien. Et Gauri?
J'aime arroser les plantes. Je n'aime pas laver les linges.
Laver le linge, très bien.
Chris?
J'aime balayer le sol. Je n'aime pas passer l'aspirateur.
Ok, super, merci Chris. Quelqu'un d'autre?
J'aime laver le linge, mais je n'aime pas passer l'aspirateur.
Ok, super, j'aime laver le linge, mais je n'aime pas passer l'aspirateur. Quelqu'un d'autre voudrait essayer? 3,
J'aime faire les...
2,
J'aime faire les...
Abdi?
oui.
J'aime faire le lit chaque matin. Et, je n'aime pas balayer le sol.
Ok, balayer le sol. Ok,
You see
super.
that some people that likes and the dislikes and dislike are the opposite, so you could be a good team here, huh?
Yeah. That's true.
Très
Ok,
bien.
voilà. Ok, merci, merci. Ça a été super, hein? It was great. Thank you so much for participating.
Bon, merci beaucoup, Roxy, de nous avons préparé cette leçon des tâches ménagères, non? Donc, c'est toujours important pour faire la négociation chez nous, non? Qu'est-ce que je veux faire? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Alors, très bien. Donc, je vais continuer plutôt en anglais. I'm going to continue especially in English this last part, unless somebody tells me that don't understand English. But the idea of this last part is to share with you like useful information of what you can find and how you can like enjoy LingoPie. So in LingoPie, you can also have a community forum. So I don't know if you knew that. We have a forum on Discord. So I would like to share with you how you can have access there in order to be in touch with other students, be in touch with our news, or even like ask or comments with our staff directly. So this is how you accept the invitation to Discord, and you will find this forum. So on the side, you will have different channels right here. It says general, welcome, etc. Sorry, news. And on the side, you can look for the French one here, French. Okay. So you choose the French one, and you can talk about different series that we have, know about some news, about some gags, and funny things that we share on the forum. How you access to the forum? Okay, I'm gonna share with you this is how our main catalog looks like. Here on the bottom have home, Netflix, music, and kids, right? Here are the different catalogs that we have of content. On the side, we have here our explore, library, practice, and lessons. And on the bottom, in the middle, next to the language that you're learning, you have the access to the Discord forum. So by clicking here, you will go to the page that I have just showed you, okay? This is if you have like a laptop device, iPod device. On the phone, on the app, it will look a little bit different, okay? But look for Discord next to the language. Also take in mind that with your subscription to LingoPie, for those that are just trying LingoPie as a free trial, maybe just getting to know, you should know that you will have access also to all the catalogs of all the languages, okay? Today we're sharing about the French one, as you are French students. And here you will see that on the top, you have the live group lessons, okay? These lessons, the first group lesson is completely free, and you can join any of these lessons that we're having every day with our great teachers, Fatwa and Victoria. So if you want to take a look about our lessons, here you can go to the lessons webpage, and you will have the topic of the lesson, right? The lessons notes that you can download with a PDF with information of the lesson and the link of the show that we are going to share that lesson. Take in mind that these group lessons are different from these open classes and different open webinars, because the open webinars, we have it once a month, the last Tuesday of every month at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. These group lessons, we have them every day. They are smaller groups where you will have much more time aimed to practice your conversational skills, okay? So you can join in group lessons and try it in order to meet other students that are in the same situation as you, and also to practice your talk for everyday speech or special topics, or do just a playtime where we do different games in order to practice the language. Also, I would like to share with you that here, if you go to our, again, to our home, we also have the Netflix catalog. The Netflix catalog, it's the Netflix selections that we do on LingoPie. So if you have a Netflix account, you can relate it with your LingoPie account and enjoy one of the best series that you might find on French language, right? With all the features and apps that you can find on LingoPie, okay? So it's a great combo for a language learning. Also remember that we have the music catalog where you can watch some video clips and listen to different playlists that we have prepared for you, from classics to very modern music. So this is not only the way of getting to know new music, it's also to getting to know what French people listen nowadays, or what are the classics of this language, no? So it's also a great way to getting to know the language and the culture. And if you have kids, also you have a kids catalog selection to share like safe contents with all the family, okay? Also, I would like to add that every Wednesday, in case you are new, as most of you said that you were new, we have this LingoPie welcome event at the same time as today, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So you can join our team, where in this event you will have time to make all the questions that you may have about how to use LingoPie and explanation of features and like direct answers. So it's a great webinar to join in case you are just starting with LingoPie. Pedro and Cesar are great explaining all what you can do. So if you are new, we highly recommend you joining this webinar tomorrow. It's completely free. And also on the chat, we have shared already, Roxy, the links. Yes, thank you, Roxy. Roxy have shared with you in the last messages the links of all what I have shared with you, and the link to join our next open class, the 25th of February, okay? So in order to sum up what I have been shared with you, remember that you are welcome to participate on the forum on Discord, that also on LingoPie you have group lessons every day. The first group lesson is completely free, and also you have private lessons, one-on-one lessons, in case you have a tailored experience one-on-one with a tutor. In that cases, in the private lessons, your homework will be to do, of course, exercises of writing, grammar, but the main homework will be to watch an episode. So it will be great because you will be watching content, and based on that content, you are going to have structured lessons to practice all what you need to manage in order to speak a language, okay? Also, we have this live lessons page where you can also download the lessons notes and get more information of each lesson. You can also look for our blog in case you want to read some articles and tips that we share about learning languages. Remember that also we have the music selection of French music, and don't forget to follow us in all our social media in order to get to know like the news and especially like funny facts of learning languages. So this is more or less to give you like general explanation of what you can find on LingoPie. And now, if you have any type of questions, comments, how was this webinar for you? If you have any interesting feedback, or you would like to make a question about LingoPie, this is the moment. We are all ears. So you can open your mic and just share or ask.
I think this session is recorded, so where can we access it if we need some information if we want to look at it.
Good question, Bob. Thank you very much for your question, because actually, yes, if you take a look on the chat where we have shared all the links, you have the link of the LingoPie forum, the live lesson, the blog, French music, and then you have the link where it says LingoPie Talks channel. This is a channel that we have on YouTube. So if you're on YouTube, write LingoPie Talks, you will find the recorded open classes, only the open classes, these ones that we do once a month, right? On the group lessons, this is completely intimate. It stays only with the people that are there, right? Just for you to differentiate the open classes webinars and the group lessons that we have every day, okay? But in YouTube LingoPie Talks, you can find it there. In some days, it will be there. Like maybe in this week, it will be there, okay? Thank you for your question. Any other question? Sí, yes.
Another question is, sometimes the group lesson just somehow could not get connected. And for instance, yesterday, in the morning, the 8 o'clock one, I just could not, I can never get connected. And this happened maybe twice. In my time, I only be here for like 2 weeks, and it happened for twice. So when I checked the support, it did not have a submit button to say, oh, submit your problems. However, I can only do from my email address and find out the support.
Okay, that was yesterday. That was yesterday, right? Yesterday.
Right.
Okay, morning. Yesterday morning.
Yeah, it was yesterday, Bofen?
Yes, yesterday morning.
Yeah, yesterday we had a very special situation with our Zoom accounts. Yeah, but it was out of order, actually. So it could happen yesterday that some lessons we took extra minutes to get in because it was a technical situation with our Zoom account. But this is already solved, so it shouldn't happen again. So I don't think that is going to happen. This is not completely normal. However, as you are here on the webinar, Yogita, I saw your question on the chat. I'm going to answer you just in a minute, right? But I'm sharing with all of you here a mail, okay? So save this mail, because in case you have any type of situation questions related to the lessons, specifically with the lessons, group lessons or private lessons, you can write to this mail that I have just shared on the chat, okay? It's a more direct way in case you have like access problems with the lessons, okay? Not other things on the platform, but with the lessons, you can write there, okay?
All right, good, thank you.
You're welcome, thank you for your question. Then, Dennis, with the savings, it depends, so we have different type of programs, so you can get subscribed for per month, per 3 months, per year, lifetime subscription, right? So depending on the subscription that you choose, you have different type of savings if you calculate per month. So maybe this is one of the reasons that you saw that. I can imagine. Merci beaucoup, Pritpal. Thank you, Pritpal, that sharing that you enjoyed this webinar. It was very nice to have you here, and thank you for participating. Also have here another question from Yogita that is interested in learning French and has a few questions. So if you want, you can write your questions, Yogita, in case we don't have enough time at the end to this mail that I have just shared, okay, teachers at, okay?
Okay.
If not, also, you can mention them here if you want, if you feel that it's okay by asking it openly. I don't know what type of questions do you have?
No, I'm fine with anything. Basically, the question here was like, if we have to learn French, then this is the way we learn it, or is there any other way also? Like through the classes, through the LingoPie app, by watching the episodes?
Okay, so in order to learn, if I go to, well, because I didn't hear 100% of what you said, but to learn French, okay, what's the idea of LingoPie? So you can practice your listening and reading and have a huge input of the language, like an immersion of the language by watching the content that we have. In order to make it easier, we have all the features that will help you to interact with this content, with this input. Besides, as you're having a lot of input by listening, hearing, right, clicking on the words, a lot of input of vocabulary, we also offer the group lessons where you can put on practice that to practice your speaking skills, because you cannot speak with the series, no? At least not yet. So the idea is that in the group lessons, you can put on practice your speaking skills, right, with other fellow students and always with a teacher that will guide you according to your level. Then, if you want to have a more like structured process and you want to have a tailored process of learning the language, also you have this option on Lingopie with the one-on-one lessons with a tutor. So you will set a day and time per week with the tutor, and you will meet weekly with this person, and it will guide you with all the standard programs that you need to know. Like we follow the international standards in order to learn a language, no? So you are going to practice your speaking, your listening, your reading, your writing, right? With the use of the content, okay? So it's a way of making learning a language fun and with an immersion and learning like the real language, the language that real people speak, okay? So this is more or less like trying to draw the whole picture of Lingopie, how you would learn. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Great, great. Thank you for your question. Merci à vous, Maturam, pour participer, pour être là. Thank you for being here, for participating. Do you have, avec plaisir. Do you have any other question? I don't know if I missed a question. Thank you for all the people with the lovely messages on the chat.
So I have one question.
Oui.
Elizabeth, you're obviously a very good teacher. If we specifically want you, can we ask for that?
Alors, oui, on a if you prefer a special teacher, you can do that while you book a lesson.
Okay.
You can write that that you would prefer to be with that teacher, right? Also, I highly recommend you trying the group lessons with Fadwa and Victoria, that are lovely teachers, our French teachers that will be also with you, as Roxy's one of our teachers too. So we have I can say that it's a pleasure to work with all my, workmates here. We have a very nice group of teachers on Lingopie, and we
Thank
share
you.
this spirit of having fun while learning.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello?
Oui, Abdi.
J'ai une question, s'il vous plaît.
Oui.
Est-ce que je vous proposer une question? Excuse-moi. Mon question, c'est est-ce que combien vous payez pour apprendre la langue française? Parce que moi, j'aime pour apprendre la langue française, vous voyez?
Vous voudrez apprendre les passés,
Pour
c'est
payer,
ça?
oui, pour payer, oui. Tout le mois ou bien un an? Ça va coûter combien?
Combien
Roxy,
ça coûte? Non, il veut savoir comment ça coûte, mais pour ça, il doit regarder les différentes options. You should go to the platform and check there the different options. We don't have the updated prices here.
it will be much easier if you watch it. It will be much better explained, you know, in the web page. So you get to the Lingopie platform and you have a page with all the prices, so you have time to watch, compare it, right? And take a look there.
Ok, ok.
Merci.
Ok, merci beaucoup, c'est gentil.
Très bien. Alors,
Merci.
avec plaisir. Alors, je vais partager encore les mails pour faire des questions. Oui, if somebody else wants the mail to make more questions about learning a language, you can write me and I will share with you again on the chat, okay? Alors, donc je crois qu'on va finir. Merci beaucoup pour être là. So, if you are new, remember that tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, you have the link on the chat. Copy if you haven't copied yet. To join the onboarding webinar 1 p.m., right? Also, you can find it on our catalog. And also, all of you, if you haven't tried yet, you can book your first group lesson and participate in there and also practice your French there. We hope to see you again in the platform, this webinar, in the lessons. Thank you for coming. Merci beaucoup à tout le monde pour être là. Et encore, à la prochaine. Bonne semaine.
Merci
à la
beaucoup à
prochaine.
tous. À la prochaine.
Au revoir.